Hey, I want to show you one of the big new features in Freedom Studio 201908. With this release, the IP delivery packages, those packages you receive from Sci5 with core RTL and an SDK and all of that in it, become first-class citizens in Freedom Studio. So what I want to show you here is how to import one of those packages. So we'll come over here. If you right-click in the Project Explorer and click New, you see this new option here, IP Project from IP Deliverable. Let's click that. And since they're usually delivered as archives, I have that automatically selected here for you. So let's browse out. And I've got a directory of IP packages that I've received for my fancy new Sci5 cores. Let's import the S51 core here. And you'll see we have a couple of options here. If the package includes an MCS file, which most of them do, we can optionally start the Flash Wizard after we import. And we can start the new project wizard to create a new software project based on this IP package. So we'll go ahead and click Finish. We'll see that it's importing our project now. There we go. And see, here's the Flash Wizard. So it found the MCS file that was embedded in there and started the Flash Wizard. And we can just, if you have your RD board all hooked up and ready to go, you can just go with Flash. I do happen to have it all hooked up, and it's monitoring that connection, tells me everything looks good. But I'm not going to flash it right now. And here's the new project wizard here. You can see it's using this instance of the SDK up here, and it automatically selects the RDBSP in there, and we can come down here and pick whatever example program we want and create our project. You'll see now with 1908 that it automatically opens the source file, the example source file in the editor when you create a software project. But over here you can see here's our IP project. It has a little tiny IP icon up there to denote an IP project. So this is not a software project. You're not going to do builds inside of here. It's really just a container for the package. It's got the MCS file, the Freedom SDK, all the docs that come with it, your RTL source here. And so what I want to show you inside of here, what you can do, new stuff. Right click on the MCS file, you can flash. You can go directly to the flash here and do it. Right click on, our software is done building. Close that. Right click on Freedom SDK, create a new project using this SDK. This will just open up the new software project wizard like we had earlier here and allow you to create a different example if you like. Let's see. There's topics for another video. We have now the ability to rebuild BSPs if you need to make a change to your DTS file. You can right click on it, run update targets on this DTS. There's a little bit more involved in here that I'm not going to cover in this video, but just to show you some of the commands here. You can also create a new BSP. So we've got one here. Say you want to create a separate copy, a new BSP to try something different out. You can just right click on the DTS and say create a new BSP, and it asks for a name. Freedom Studio will create a new directory, copy in the DTS file, and run the update targets automatically, regenerating all of the metal headers and linker scripts, config scripts, and whatnot. Again, topic for a separate video. Let's see what else is new here. Those are the big things right now. Basically just promoting IP packages to first-class citizens and putting them in here, and then giving you easy GUI commands to do a lot of the common things you might want to do from an IP package, creating new projects, creating new BSPs, and whatnot. So that's what I want to show you there. Thanks for watching. See you next time.